Welcome back to another OctopusPro tutorial. My name is Jack and today I'm going to be taking you through the OctopusPro calendar. We're going to be going through all the different features and the ways that you can effectively schedule and manage bookings and appointments using this calendar that I've got up here. So in the OctopusPro interface, down the left-hand side, when you click calendar, now this is the default view that you'll be taken to. So straight away, what we have is an overview of the entire month's worth of work. So every booking that's been happening for this month, we can see very clearly color combinations and coding. So this is going to indicate the status of the job, we can see the price, and we can see the name of the person that's going to be doing it. So straight away, we get a whole month's view of all the jobs we've got going on. We can quickly see if there's any clashes or anything that needs to be moved. Now, to get into a bit more nitty-gritty, to look into a bit more in-depth point of view, all we have to do is go up to the top right here, and these are our viewing options. So the first default view that we've been looking at is the month view. Then all we have to do is if we go through and click on the week view, from the week view here, we instantly see every job that we have for the entire week, but it's laid out vertically using a timeline, as we can see down the left here. So we actually have an hourly snapshot of all the jobs that are going to be running for the week. So we can quickly see any overlaps or anything that needs to be changed. Now, this does have all of the bookings for the entire week, all laid out on top of each other. So it's a good way to quickly see if there are any conflicts, or we can see, as I said earlier, the colors and the statuses of the job. But if we wanted to go into a more deep look at it, we can click up here on the day view. And then going into the day view here, we can again see a bit more of a closer look at things. So we get that same timeline view, the hourly view. We get the blocks for each booking that has a start and an end time. But each column is actually going to be a different field worker. So we've actually got every single field worker's name at the top here that's going to be having a job on this specific day, and every single job that they've got for that day. Now, what we can actually see here is that with these field workers, these three here, and this one here, and this one over here, they've actually put unavailabilities in their calendar. So from this view, we can quickly see that these 5 field workers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, aren't going to be able to work on this day. So scheduling wise, this gives us a bit of an insight. We can see obviously more in-depth look. Now, this is only going to be viewed from the day view. From the week view, we don't see those unavailabilities. So that's just a more in-depth look. And then the final viewing option that we have is the list view. So for anyone that wants just a straight up comprehensive list of all the jobs they've got for the week, this is the view for you. You can come in quickly, you can print this out, you can do whatever with it, but it's essentially got all the statuses, the names, and the prices and locations of the job. So this is a more simple, straightforward, and streamlined list of all the bookings that you've got for the week. So returning back to the month view, we're now just going to be looking at a few different functions and actions that we can take at these different levels. So now that we've seen the different ways that we can view the calendar, the first function that we're going to be looking at is the filtering function. So up on the top right-hand corner, as you can see here, we've got the filters box. If I just click on this box here, I get brought up with a bunch of information that I can filter down the calendar with. Now, we have service type, which are the booking types that you'll set up, and each one here has, as we click on the drop down, so we can filter the bookings for specific services. We can filter by status, so based on the status of the job. We can go through, we can see who it was created by, so we can go through and see specific staff members and see who made that booking, and we can filter jobs by that way. We have the state region, we have the location type, so in here, whether it's mobile, whether it's on-site. We have the technician status, whereas if I go under it into technicians, I can put someone specific in and quickly pull up their calendar. Then the next one we have is labels. You are, as part of the OctopusPro system, able to set up labels on each booking to be able to give it a little bit more recognizability for any way that you would need for your business. And then you can then filter in the calendar using those labels. So as we can see here, we would just go into labels, and based on these custom setup labels, you can then filter your jobs. We then also have the technicians label, which is another custom label that you can add specifically to technicians or field workers that gives you again another identifier as you're booking and you're going through the system. So for instance, if we had a technician here, we have specific ones that we can put in for that and then filter those down as well. The last ones we have here are assignment status, whether it's been accepted or it's pending. So we can quickly see here all the jobs that have been pending that haven't been yet accepted by field workers. We can quickly see those ones, as well as the accepted and declined. And then lastly, we can see the payment status. So if we needed to quickly pull up all unpaid invoices, all pending invoices, we could just quickly do that here. So we'd take it to the payment status, we can go unpaid invoices, and then we can click filter. Now, what that will do is filter all the jobs in the month view only down to the ones that have been unpaid. So this filtering system, although there are a lot of different steps and different ways you can do it, it basically just adds a level of customizability and convenience at your end, so that when you're looking at the calendar and looking at the jobs, you can very quickly get specific and broad amounts of information right from the home page without having to go into specific bookings. So this makes it really, really convenient for managing and scheduling bookings. For instance, just to show you quickly, let's just say we wanted to go into all completed bookings. If I hit completed and I hit filter, I'll take this one off. Then as you can see here, all that are showing are the completed bookings for the month. Now, adding new bookings to the OctopusPro calendar is a breeze. What we can do from this layout is very quickly and very easily add in any bookings or appointments. All that we have to do is click on any given day that we needed that on. So, for instance, we got a call and we needed to create a booking on Tuesday the 27th up here. What we do is we would click on that date and then we get given a pop-up. Now, this pop-up is going to give us a few different options, okay? The first options, as you can see here, is add a new booking. So if we're going to click on add a new booking, that's going to take us straight through to the create a booking workspace, where here we can put all the information in and that will be saved to that date from the calendar that we clicked on. So that is a one-click, two-click process that we can get straight to adding a new booking from the calendar space. Now, as we saw earlier, there are different views of the calendar, and this can allow you to add a little bit more specific bookings, or more details, I should say, before getting into the new booking workspace. So if I was going to go into the week view, again, I can go in here and I can see this is similar to the month view in the sense that all I would be doing would be clicking a day, pressing add booking, and that would take us through, again, to the create a new booking workspace. In the day view, however, what we can do is, because of the different field workers that are shown up the top here, we can actually add bookings specific to the field worker on that given day. So if we went into a specific day, we went into here, into the day view, and we saw that we wanted to get a job done over here, all we could do is click on it, we'd get the new booking pop up, we'd click through to it, and that would go automatically to that day and to that field worker as well. So it's just a few more click-throughs, but another way that you can add a booking. The other option on the pop-up that you might have seen if we click on any given day is unavailable. Now, this feature allows us to add an unavailability into the calendar on behalf of any field workers if they require it. This is something that they can also do from their end, and what it means is that we get an automatically sync both calendars from the office and for the field worker of all the unavailabilities that they have, so that we can be really proactive when we're booking and making sure that there aren't any conflicts. So basically, straight away, if you get an unavailability, all that you have to do again is click, you get the pop-up, you click unavailable, and here you get the options. So you put it in the field worker who's going to be unavailable, you put in a title for it, so let's just say it's a really nice holiday. Okay, let's make it all day, and we're going to say he's going away for a week. Okay, so from the 27th to the 4th, we're going to need to create that unavailability. If I hit save, now that has been saved as an unavailability for that field worker. However, that isn't going to come up in the default view of all the bookings. What we would have to do to be able to see the unavailabilities is filter it to the specific field worker. So in this instance, we've given the unavailability to the tutorial technician. If we go into filters, again up the top right here, and we click through, we go to technicians and we put tutorial in. When we hit filter, you can now see a full view of that technician's calendar, which will display, as we can see here, the unavailability that we created. So that's very clear to see that this person cannot work for this week. Now, if we needed to delete this very quickly, we can just click on it and we can click here and we can press delete unavailable. And that's just going to get rid of it from the calendar. Again, the unavailabilities is honestly a lifesaver when it comes to dealing with technicians and them staffing and regularly scheduling themselves, whether it's because they have a booking that they need to do privately as a contractor, or whether it's because of a family emergency or holiday. They can quickly put that in without having to call or make contact with you, and that way when you're putting new bookings in, you know straight away. Okay? The third option in that pop-up, which you might have seen, is if we click on any given date again, the third option down here is add a note. Then we're just presented here with a pad that we can quickly chuck in some details if we needed to. For any reason, if there were a note that we needed to leave for a specific field worker, then we can quickly enter them up here in this spot, chuck a title in, chuck some notes, and make it selective to certain days. So that's really helpful. Again, from this calendar workspace, you can basically manage every aspect of your booking. You can create new ones, you can create unavailabilities, and you can quickly add notes in so that when you're getting calls from customers or things are quickly changing on the job, there is no hesitation and no delay in making sure that information is up to date for the staff, for the clients, and for the field workers. Possibly the most convenient and exciting feature of the OctopusPro calendar is the drag and drop functionality. Now, we've looked at how we can add new information into the calendar. What this is going to allow us to do is make changes to bookings that already exist, okay? And there are a few changes that we can make, and those changes depend on the view of the calendar that we are in, okay? So from the month view, we can look at all the bookings as we said we have, and if we hover our mouse on any booking here, what we can see is that we can click it and drag it across the calendar. Now, from the month view, we get the different dates of the month. So if a customer called up and said, hey, this booking needs to be moved to the day after, quickly from the calendar view, I can just drag this over to the next day, let go of it, and that information is going to automatically update in the booking without having to go in, hit edit, and change it manually. Okay, then we'll be prompted with a system message that will give us an option to notify the customer of this change. So anytime a change has been made in a booking, you'll be prompted with this that can send an SMS or an email to the customer straight away to let them know that that change has been made. Okay, so let's just X out of there. We've seen how we can move a booking across to a different date. However, let's say the customer needed to change a start or end time of a booking. What we can do is we can go up to the top right again. If we click on the week view, we're going to be given the timeline down the left here. Now what that means is that the blocks that we have for the bookings can be changed a little bit more than they could in the month view. All right, so the first thing that we can do is we can click and drag up and down as well as across to other dates. Now this essentially means that we can change the start and end time of booking or the date that it's scheduled to be on. Okay, the next feature that we can do with these blocks is if we hover our mouse down the bottom of the block, we'll get a drop down arrow. Now that arrow allows us, if we click it and drag it, to change the end time of a booking. So very quickly from this week view, we can change the date, we can change the start time, and we can change the duration. Now, if we wanted to go into a little bit more detail, let's say for example, we wanted to change the technician that it was booked for, we would have to then go into the day view. Now the reason that we would have to go into the day view is, again, because we get this wonderful list at the top of all the field workers that will be working on that given day. Now if we went into the specific day for that booking, we found it and we wanted to change it to a different person but keep it for the same day, all that we would have to do very quickly and very easily is click on the booking and drag it to a different technician. Now, once I've let go of that, that's going to very quickly update the customer, again with that prompt once it comes up, and it'll update in the system across all devices so that everyone is on the same page. So as we can see, using this drag and drop functionality really does increase your efficiency when it comes to managing bookings, and just makes it a lot easier to be able to make quick changes on the fly whilst keeping the customer up to date. Now, the last feature we're going to be looking at for the OctopusPro calendar is the integration with Google. So what we can do with any information that's based in this calendar, with all the bookings and all the changes that we're making, we can make sure that those updates are reflected and integrated into Google Calendar if necessary. Okay, so let's say for an example that you're working with a field worker that has all their bookings and all their personal details set up on their Google Calendar, and for whatever reason at times can't have access to the app or needs to get those updates on their Google Calendar. What we can do is send them a link to integrate their calendars, and those updates and changes will be made live across both, okay? So how do we do this? What we can do is from the calendar, if we go up to the filters section and we filter it to a specific field worker, okay? So let's go to our tutorial, hit filter to bring up tutorials calendar. What we're gonna see up the top left here is a big link. Now, the first thing it says is tutorial calendar not synced. So straight away we can see that this technician or field worker has not got Google integration currently set up. So if we wanted to, all that we have to do is click on that link, and that's going to deliver us an email prompt that's going to send them a link that they can click on, and that will go through to integrate the calendars. So very simple and very straightforward. If you need to do it, all you got to do is go into the individual field worker's calendar and then click on the link up the top left here, okay? This saves us the time of the more manual version, which I will show you now. So to get to a specific field worker's profile from the calendar, if we just click on a booking and then we click on their name, we're going to get the drop down here where we can then click down the bottom onto view profile, okay? And then when we click on view profile, we're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, from this page, we can go to here where it says personal details. We can go to account details. And then we get down here next to their email address, the same link to send the Google Calendar integration email. So if we click that, it's going to give us the same prompt to send that email over, okay? So again, that's just showing you the time that you can save by using the inbuilt functions that are in the calendar, rather than going through into the specific technician's profile in this circumstance. What we can do is just filter it, and then we get the link up the top left here. That concludes this tutorial on how to schedule and manage bookings efficiently using the OctopusPro calendar. We've gone through a deep dive of all the different functions and features to show you this truly is a powerful tool when it comes to productivity in business. Thank you for watching.